As with any project that has to do with your home, you have to go to Home Depot. This one was for a gardening project. We walked all throughout the wood section looking for untreated wood that was reasonably priced so we could make our beds. And then we found some wood that worked, that made sense, and we're gonna go get that cut. I obviously had to look at more stuff because I love, I'm a DIYer. So I was looking at some more wood. I'm gonna go over to the cutting center as I dance. And we're gonna go cut the wood. So we're having the guy at Home Depot cut our wood. These little stacks that he's cutting right now are actually our stabilizers, and I'll talk more about those throughout the video. You'll hear me say stabilizers, you'll hear me say support. This is what I'm talking about, these guys right here. And we had these cut to basically support the sides of our wood because it's not super thick. Look at that. Oh, nice and woody. Then we had him cut our other wood, which was, we wanted the bed to be 4 by 4. And we had him do that. And that's the wood right there. 4 feet boards. There's 4 of them, and these are going to be the sides. So these are going to be the base of the beds, the walls of them at least. And we got these at Home Depot. We bought a foot, right?
They're 4 by 10.
4 by 10 boards each?
Yeah.
Okay, they're all 4 by 10 boards. And yeah, so these are going to be our beds. And I'm excited. So this is the walls, the outskirts. And I'll show you once we start building them. I'm going to do a time lapse. Then we have these suckers. So these act as kind of the stabilizers on the corners. So they'll go inside of the corners to make sure they stay stable and kind of help with the structure of them. So that's what these are for. We have 4 of these as well. And then we got the liner. So this liner, we have 2 different kinds. I have this one, which I just bought from the dollar store for $5. And then we have another one I bought on Amazon. I think it was $16 for that one. So I'll list where this one's from. This is Outdoor by Design, which is a brand I assume is partnered with Family Dollar. And yeah, super cool. I'm gonna post all that information. We're gonna start building the bed. So we need to get the wood out of the little twine things they wrapped it in, and we kind of wanted to do a format of what we wanted it to look like before we started screwing it. So we kind of laid it out on the floor. So this is us, the stabilizer part I was telling you about. That's what's in the corner. That's what he's holding. And that's kind of going to help support the wood because it's not super thick wood and we didn't want it to break due to wind or what have you. So we're just laying out the format of how we want the bed to be. The bed isn't super tall, but it is a nice size for beginners that are looking to grow food. This is going on my patio, so it is perfect. We're building 2 of these, and this is essentially the structure of the bed. So it's 4 feet by 4 feet by 4 feet, and it is a perfect square. And as you can see, we have our stabilizers in each corner, and now all we have to do is start drilling holes. So untreated wood, and all of it's untreated. You can get it cut to your sizing. I'll put more information on the sizes we use in the description bar. But take this out of the way. Okay, so I've never never used one of these before, so I pulled it the first time and it was slow. So look, watch. You see that? You like pull it harder. I'm not doing. Yeah, have fun.
See if we can.
Oh yeah.
Second hole. I didn't think that wood was that hard. It's treated, I think.
All right, so one side is done. As I explained before, we got the side that this is basically the support system. We have the side seams. The side seams. That's what happens when you study fashion. We have the sideboards. This is the basically the sides of the beds, and these are actually treated. So this is, and these are not treated. So you're just gonna repeat this until all four sides are all done, and then you're gonna connect them. And I'll show you little snippets as we continue, but that's what we're doing. So you wanna drill a hole in this one first and into this one, deeper into this one, because this one is thick, like super thick. And then you wanna screw through both and then repeat the process on both sides and then continue. It's not easy, but you know, gotta make it work.
A little bit, but. Oh.
What are these figures?
Oh, almost made. See this one? This one's the other way, this way. Just like that.
you need to do the basis of the thing, and then you can cut it like we're doing.
Okay.
Cut the excess fabric off the edges.
Oh, yeah. Looks like it belongs here, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Then, if you wanted to, we can get wood. If you want to make it a little deeper, we can get wood that'll come up to here. Another 3 inches. I don't think so.